Hello students. In the last class I explained how to write the fractions of the shaded part. So in this class I will explain the definition of numerator and denominator of a fraction. So here the numeral above the line is called numerator and the numeral below the line is called denominator. Here 2 by 5. We will take one example. So that is the fraction 2 by 5. So in this, the numeral above the line. So that means 2. 2 is called numerator and the numeral below the line, that is 5. 5 is called denominator. Next, comparison of fractions. So here we need to remember 2 points. The first one is, if the denominators of two fractions are equal, then fraction with the larger numerator is bigger. So here, if the denominators of two fractions are equal, then the fraction with the larger numerator is bigger. So here examples are there. Consider the first example. Compare 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So according to the definition, denominators of two fractions are equal. So here compare, the denominators are equal. Here also 5, here also 5, denominators are equal. Then compare the numerator. So the fraction with the larger numerator is a bigger fraction. So here 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger? Of course 3 is bigger than 2. So 3 by 5 is a bigger fraction. Then second example, compare 8 by 11 and 3 by 11. So here denominators are equal. Denominators are equal. Compare the numerator. Here 8 is there, here 3 is there. So which one is bigger? 8 is bigger. So 8 by 11 is a bigger fraction. Then compare 4 by 7 and 1 by 7. So here also the denominators are equal. So here compare 4 and 1. So which one is bigger? 4 is bigger. So 4 by 7 is bigger fraction. Next example. Compare 5 by 12 and 6 by 12. Here also denominators are equal. Then compare the numerator 5 and 6. Which one is bigger? 6 is bigger than 5. So 6 by 12 is a bigger fraction. Next, fifth example. Compare 7 by 10 and 3 by 10. So here denominators are equal. Here also 10, here also 10. So 7 is bigger than 3. So 7 by 10 is a bigger fraction. The last example, compare 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So here denominators, in the first fraction also denominator 4, in the second fraction also denominator is 4 is there. So then compare 1 and 3. So which one is bigger? 3 is bigger than 1. So 3 by 4 is a bigger fraction. So here second point, if the numerators of two fractions are equal, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. Students, don't get confusion here. If the numerators of two fractions are equal, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. So here consider the first example. According to the definition, numerator of two fractions are equal. So here numerator is 1, here also numerator is 1. So compare the denominator. Here 8 is there, here 10 is there. So observe the definition. Fraction with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. So here 8 is small or 10 is small. So 8 is smaller than 10. So 1 by 8 is the bigger fraction. Then second one, compare 4 by 12 and 4 by 9. So here numerators are equal. Here also 4, here also 4 is there. So 9 is smaller than 12. Smaller than 12. So 4 by 9 is a bigger fraction. Third example, to compare 2 by 7 and 2 by 8. Numerator is 2. In both the fraction, numerator is 2. Here in the denominator 7 is there and 8 is there. Which fraction having smaller denominator? 2 by 7 is having smaller denominator. So 2 by 7 is bigger fraction. Next 5 by 11 and 5 by 13. So here also numerators are equal and compare the denominators 11 and 13. 11 is smaller than 13. So 5 by 11 is bigger fraction. Next, 7 by 9 and 7 by 12. So here numerators are equal in both the fractions. Numerators are 7. Numerator is 7. Then here in the down denominator, compare the denominator. Here 9 is there. Here 12 is there. Which fraction having smaller denominator? Of course 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 is bigger fraction. Then sixth one, compare 3 by 10 and 3 by 5. So here the numerators are equal in both the fraction. Numerator is 3. So compare the denominator. So which fraction having a smaller denominator? That is 3 by 5. So 5 is smaller than 10. So 3 by 5 is bigger fraction. And dear children, copy the given notes to your classwork. And today no need to do any homework. Just revise this chapter. Thank you.